What's up guys, this is Alex from Team Alex. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this product. So it's still wrapped in plastic, so it's still in its package. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys this product, which is a mechanical keyboard. So ever since I moved to IT like 1 year and 3 months ago from being a geologist, I've been seeing a lot of my workmates who are using these like fancy keyboards with all those lights, and like the click-clack kind of thing whenever you type. I found out that actually they're using the mechanical keyboard. So before I didn't have any idea about keyboards. All I care is that it's keyboard. I can type, and then that's it. That's keyboard for me. But anyway, guys, so I'm just gonna share with you guys this mechanical keyboard that I bought. Alright, so I did my research. There are like 3 kinds of mechanical keyboards. Depending on the kind of like feel and sound that you like, you can choose like any of those like 3. Me personally, I chose this brown keyboard. I would suggest that you do your research, guys, because I'm not still very knowledgeable about this keyboard. Since this is my first time using a mechanical keyboard, so I just want to get the feel, get experience of it. So I didn't want to go to a very expensive one, so I found a cheap one, but at the same time a popular one, because I saw a lot of my workmates using that kind of keyboard, which is this one here. So guys, this is from the website Kogan. Okay, so Kogan, alright. They're very popular here in Australia. So originally the price of this one is $29, 29 point something, so almost $30, but plus the shipping fee like $8, something like that. Boils down to almost like $40. 3 to 5 days for the delivery, and I got it like within the week. So okay, so I'm so excited. Without further ado, guys, let's get into it. Let's open this one together and then see how it goes. Okay, so and then guys, this is the keyboard. Okay, so that's from Kogan, guys. Okay, we've got here warranty information. So this is the warranty information, the user guide. All right, and then okay, so this is the product. Okay, so this is it. Hey guys, so this is how the keyboard looks like close up, as you can see. So this is the numeric keypads here, and then the function on the top. It's a typical layout actually, QWERTY. Control, the Windows logo here. So this is the shift, this is the caps lock. I can see some functions here that I don't really usually use. And then you can see the lights at the base. It's not too big. It's a bit compact, right? You see, all right. But it's very solid, guys. I could say that it's really the build is really solid, and it's not plasticky kind of thing. It's a bit shiny, the surface of the keys. So it's not like a plastic kind of thing. It's really durable. Alright guys, so I turned off the light just to show you the cool thing about this keyboard. So it's so well lit, eh? Look at that. Different arrays of lights, and she can see orange on the bottom, and then purple, and then blue, green, yellow, and then it's just amazing. That's what I love about RGB keyboards. I really like RGB keyboard, guys. Beautiful keyboard for $30, guys. $30, can you imagine? This is just $30. Alright guys, so this is the base of the keyboard. If you look, so that's where the lights are coming from, emanating from the base of the board, right? Look at that, amazing. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you a cool stuff about this keyboard. Okay, this is, so if you hit the function W and insert at the same time, see what happens. Alright, boom. See, so that's a one mode. So that's the first one. The second one would be boom. So this is the second mode, guys. Look at that. How cool is that? Okay, so if I hit the function W and insert once again, it's the third mode. So it's just the reverse of the previous one. and then if I hit again, that one, and then another one, and then another one, I found some of the patterns actually not very usable, not very useful. It's gonna get you dizzy, eh? But I think these one guys are good if you're not using the keyboard. If it's just staying in there, and then you're probably like you're doing something, you're just like lying on your bed, and then yeah, probably this one is good. So yeah, that's one of the cool things about this mechanical keyboard, guys. Okay, and this is how it sounds, guys. So I don't know, what can you say, guys, about this mechanical keyboard? Well, this is just my opinion. It's really durable. The build is pretty solid. I can feel it. It's not very plasticky kind of thing. It's yeah, I like it. The keys are not loose, and yeah, they're very solid. Pretty well built, I think. Right? So yeah. So I think all in all, for $30, you get all your money's worth, eh? It's worth it. Operating life, guys, it says 50 million key presses. So 50 million presses, man. It's like eternity, eh? So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Yalex. And yeah, hit that notification bell as well, so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos just like this. And thank you, and thanks for watching. God bless.